Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to be showing this pine cone that I've left out in the sun, and it has finally opened up and dropped some of the seeds. And here are the seeds right here in this container. You can see that they look a little long, and that's because they have these little fins on them, and that's just for wind dispersal, so that when they fall from the tree or when they pop out of the pine cone, the wind will just take them and spread them out throughout the environment. And so here's this example of one of the actual seeds and how small it is. It's just a little black seed. Not really any significant markings on it, but it just looks like a little dot. So what I'm going to do with these seeds is I'm going to just spread them out on a top layer in a pot. And you want to try to get them as even as you can. Obviously, I'm not expecting every single one of these seeds to germinate and become a tree, but I do want to try to spread these out as best as possible. So that's what I'm doing. And also I'm going to save some of these seeds to actually plant in different style containers. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some old potting soil mix and just spread it evenly, like I said, as much as I can over the top surface, just so that there aren't any areas where it's too thick or too thin. That way when we go to water it, it won't clump all the seeds together or make them float to the top where they're just going to get stuck in the sun. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the pot and put it somewhere convenient next to the dripper line or the irrigation line. And I found it really nice to actually drill a hole in the side of the container, and this way I can attach my dripper line and just string it through that hole and attach it to the line. And I like doing it this way because you don't need to use any stakes, and you don't need to use any tape or anything like that to secure it to the container. And if you get the right size drill bit, it'll actually fit the 1/4 inch tubing perfectly. And with this dripper, I want to have it sitting somewhere in the middle, and that way at least it will effectively get water to all the seedlings instead of just the seedlings on one side like this. This is a bad example, but I want to have the dripper in the middle. And also, as the seedlings get older, I will take them out of this container and I will pot them up into some of the tree containers that you guys have seen me use for the peaches. And this way, at least the trees can develop a better root system and they won't get root bound as quickly, and it'll actually allow the roots to go down to the bottom and develop pretty good. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, consider subscribing and checking out some of the other videos that we have on the channel.